Life gets messy out here. Take on your toughest cleaning tasks with the SIMPSON PS60869 pressure washer. Powered by a Honda GX270 engine, this machine features a AAA industrial triplex pump that delivers 4,000 psi at 3.5 GPM of sheer cleaning force. Our exclusive Power Boost technology increases pressure at the nozzle for effective deep cleaning you can see. The Quick Connect Monster Hose is 50 feet long with a non-marring outer jacket, and its durable steel braid design resists kinks and abrasions. The unit includes an ergonomic rear-load spray gun and 5 corrosion-resistant Quick Connect nozzles for a variety of cleaning applications. Accessories store right on the dashboard. And it's all housed on a welded steel corrosion-resistant frame with rugged 13-inch premium tires. The SIMPSON PowerShot 4000 PSI pressure washer is available now.
Fight back against stubborn dirt and grime with the SPX 4600 14.5 amp electric pressure washer, the eco-friendly electric grime fighter from the best-selling pressure washer series by Sunjoe. Tackle your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning tasks with a high-performance 14.5 amp induction motor designed to last longer, run quieter, and work cooler than traditional universal motors. Blast up to 3,000 psi of pressure and up to 1.3 gallons per minute to quickly rinse away dirt and debris. Remove grease from concrete, heavy mildew stains, oil stains, caked on mud, peeling paint, and other stubborn gunk and grime. Select from 5 onboard Quick Connect spray tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap to tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Swap in the soap nozzle and dial in just the right amount of soap from the 1-gallon onboard detergent tank. Equipped with popular pro-grade features like the 20-foot steel reinforced high-pressure hose, an onboard hose holder for neater storage, a heavy-duty metal roll cage, and a 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection, SPX 4600 is built for power and performance. And every Sunjoe pressure washer comes backed by a complete 2-year warranty for the worry-free care and convenience you've come to expect from America's top-selling eco-friendly brand of pressure washers. So go with Joe and your dirty jobs just got done. SPX 4600 14.5 amp electric pressure washer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
The Greenworks 3000 PSI pressure washer is the most powerful electric pressure washer and delivers 2 times the power with half the cleaning time. That's why Greenworks pressure washers are rated #1. The true brushless motor technology auto-adapts to each nozzle, delivering the perfect power for every surface, every time. The Greenworks 3000 PSI pressure washer is also PWMA certified. Life, powered by Greenworks.